Chapter 1, Section 1 of The Greek View of Life. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Recording by Martin Geeson. The Greek View of Life by Goldsworthy Dickinson. Chapter 1. The Greek View of Religion. Section 1. Introductory. In approaching the subject of the religion of the Greeks, it is necessary to dismiss at the outset many of the associations which we are naturally inclined to connect with that word. What we commonly have in our mind when we speak of religion is a definite set of doctrines of a more or less metaphysical character, formulated in a creed and supported by an organisation distinct from the state. And the first thing we have to learn about the religion of the Greeks is that it included nothing of the kind. There was no church, there was no creed, there were no articles. There was no doctrine even, unless we are so to call a chaos of legends, orally handed down and in continual process of transformation by the poets. Priests there were, but they were merely public officials, appointed to perform certain religious rites. The distinction between cleric and layman, as we know it, did not exist. The distinction between poetry and dogma did not exist. And whatever the religion of the Greeks may have been, one thing at any rate is clear, that it was something very different from all that we are in the habit of associating with the word. What then was it? It is easy to reply that it was the worship of those gods, of Zeus, Apollo, Athene, and the rest, with whose names and histories everyone is familiar. But the difficulty is to realize what was implied in the worship of these gods, to understand that the mythology which we regard merely as a collection of fables was to the Greeks actually true, or at least that to 9 Greeks out of 10 it...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?